Changing your payout method on Dragonboat is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Dragonboat account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings menu, find and select the payout method section. This is where you can view your current payout options and make changes. Step 4. Update your payout method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payout preferences. By following these steps, you can successfully change your payout method on Dragonboat. Make sure to review your settings periodically to keep your payment information up to date.